Mali. Yung ano, yung committee. Just second, right? Just second. Wala pa yung ano eh. Wala pa yung scorer ko. Table, timer. Teka. Okay, announce ko yung first five, pare. Upo muna kayo. First five. Team C. Willie Hernandez. Amo. Ben Gascon. Nain natin yung first five. Palitan mo na yan. Palitan mo yan. Sumunod ko tapos papalitan mo. Ayusin mo na. Binuga mo. Okay. Oh. Team C. First five. Jojo Lodovica. Lito Mirote. Jonas Alas Dakanay. Erwin Santos. Arnold Cayabia. First five. Ano ba ito? Puno ng Team C. Wala pa ng first five. Sino ba kung sino? Bilungan yung first five. Bilog. Wala yung Team C, ha? Bilog. Lagyan mo ng bilog. Okay. First five. Raul Lavena. Willie Hernandez. Ben Gascon. Reno Cuano. And Frank Assis. All system go. Scorer. Timer. Set. Ready. Picture muna. Picture. This is it. Jumbo. Possession by the blue team. And it's blue again. It's a blue team. So it's it's blue ball. Understand? Willing to assist, take a shot and makes it. Nothing but net. Start by assist. 3 points. What a shot by assist. Good momentum to Santos. Santos to Dakanay. Lose the ball. Dakanay to Lodovica. It's a tie game again by Lodovica. Hernandez reading the ball. Hernandez to Avena. Avena dribble. Avena takes a shot and makes it. Top shot by Avena, but makes it. It's a 5-3 ball game at the start. Jojo dribbling the ball to Cayabia. Cayabia takes a 3 and makes it. Rebound by Avena. Avena dribbling the ball. Avena dribble. Assist. It's white ball. Lodovica in the middle. Lodovica crossing the line in the middle. Lodovica again. Lodovica draining the ball to Cayabia. Cayabia fakes. Cayabia dribble to Jonas. Jonas to Lodovica. There's a foul. Number 46 foul. It's a shooting foul. First foul by Raul Avena. Lodovica. Missed by Lodovica. 5-3 in favor of blue. Second shot.
Shoot.
And makes it 5-4. 1 point game. Avena dribbling the ball. Avena crossing the line. Lito guarding Avena. Ed. Again, rebounded by Ed. To Abena, but Abena takes a shot. Ed makes it. What a perfect shot by Abena. 7-4. Okay. Ludovica in the middle. Kaya Piap turns around. Lays it up. Makes it. Rebounded by Willie to Abena. What a outlet flash. It's pass to Assis. There's a foul. Who's foul, rep? 59. Foul. It's a shooting foul. 59 foul. First foul by Ludovica. Assis making the first free throw. First shot, nothing by net by Assis. Perfect shot by Assis. 8-4. Assis in the momentum. Second shot by Assis. In and out by Assis. Ludovica drilling the ball. Ludovica drives. Take the shot. And miss it. Rebounded by Willie. Miss it. Rebounded by Willie. What a big rebound by Willie. One dribble the ball. One to Abena. Abena drives. That's a foul. What a good goal by the referee. Number 19 is a shooting foul by Abena. Abena making the first free throw. Nice shot by Abena. Efficient play by Abena. Perfect game by Abena. And makes it again. It's a 10-4. 6-point lead by the blue team. Perfect shot by Abena. To Santos. Santos to right. It's blocked, but there's a foul. Second foul by Abena. That's your second foul. Time. Change player. Two shots. Two foul by Abena. First shot by Santos. Missed by Santos. Second shot. Miss it again. So, possession dito. Ha? Ganun ba yun? White ball, ha? White ball. Defense blue. White ball. In the middle. Sova, rebounding. To Castres. It's a 6-point game. To Leones takes a 3. And makes it! Oh! By Leones. What happened, Leones? Stop! Wow, looking for a stop, Leones. There's a foul. Stop down, ref. Injury. Magutok. Now, nagutok. It's white ball. Rebounded by Nasta. Cristobal take a shot. And miss it. Rebounded by Nasta. Loose ball. Got by Romel. To Assis. To Gaston. Takes a shot and makes it. What a top shot by Gaston. Momentum by the blue team. Game 7, it's a 5-point lead. Ludovica. 9-4. Inbound. Blue team, inbound. Assis holds the ball in the middle. Assis to Romel Feliciano to Assis to Gaston. Gaston then attack, make a shot and miss it. Okay. Got the rebound. Paano? Gascon. Gascon. Assist. Assist. Shot. Lodovika. Lodovika running. Lodovika fake. Lodovika. Oh, assist again. Assist. Oh, there's a foul. Lodovika foul. There's a foul. Lodovika. 2 fouls, Lodovika. 2 fouls by Lodovika. Feliciano receiving the ball. Feliciano dribbling the ball. Romel Feliciano dribbling the ball. Romel Feliciano in the middle. To Hernandez. Hernandez takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by. Oh, that's by assist. Tira. And miss it by Ricky. Marin Sinicero dribbling the ball. Marin Sinicero dribbling the ball. Castres. Lodovika. Lodovika. To Mario Sinicero. Oh, nothing by Mario Sinicero. 5-point game. Feliciano dribbling the ball. Feliciano. To Gascon. Gascon takes a shot. Miss it. Rebound by Lodovika. There's a foul. Gascon. 14 fouls by Lodovin. Warning penalty. Castres. Castres dribbling the ball. Castres to Mario. Mario dribble the ball. Mario kaya Castres. Lodovika. Lodovika take a shot. Miss it. Rebound by Assis. Assis. Willie Hernandez. Hernandez dribbling the ball. Willie clears the ball. Drives to Reggie. Reggie takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Lodovika. Lodovika dribbling the ball. Castres. Castres. There's a foul. Willie. There's a foul. Number 17 foul. Castres free throw. 12-7. It's a 5-point game. 40 seconds to go. Missed by Castres. 34 seconds to go. One more shot. 12-7.
Shoot!
Makes it. 12-8. 23 seconds to go. 23 seconds to go. In our championship game. Gascon. Gascon dribble the ball. Gascon dribble the ball. Missed the shot. So close. Mario Sinicero. 7 seconds to go. 5 seconds to go. Mario takes a shot. Miss it. Castres. What a big miss by Castres. First 5 minutes. 12-8. 4-point lead by the blue team. 4-point lead by the blue team. Pass to Reggie. Reggie inbound the ball. Reggie inbound the ball. Reggie dribbling the ball. Reggie to Apena. Apena! That's right.
Up! No!
Rebound.
Nice!
Kaya
Nice! Nice! Baba!
Santos! Santos on the ball! Santos! Kicking ball. Good kicking ball defense by Cuadro. No, wait. Santos to Jonas. Jonas takes the shot. Oh, in and out by Jonas. There's a foul. Number 76 foul. So kaya Biam! Merote. 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 Santos. Santos Meche. Santos, 2 points. 12-10. It's a 2-point game. Reggie, Cueto. Takes a shot. Oh, down corner. Takes a shot. And didn't miss it. Time out. Blue. Sorry. No time out. Until the 4th quarter. Kaya Biag winning the ball. To Santos. Santos to Kaya Biag. Kaya Biag.
Oh my goodness!
No.
There's a foul. Castres. 33 foul. Bola rito. Bola rin. Dito. Ilang foul? 2 team foul. 2 team foul.
Also, you test me. That's why.
Berto to Aziz. Aziz with the ball. Aziz. To Abena. Abena. And makes it. Abena. What a perfect game by Abena. Another 2 points. Filling up the scoreboard. Abena. Kaya Biag to Santos. Santos turn around. Kaya Biag takes a 3. Miss it. To Reggie. Reggie dribbling the ball. Reggie dribbling the ball. Shot. Big miss by Reggie. 3-on-1 situation. Santos to Castres. Castres to Kaya Biag. No defense at all by the blue team. 14-13. It's a 1-point game. Abena, people. There's a foul.
Why foul?
Shooting foul, rep. Down low.
I didn't see it. This is all you said.
Sideball.
Did he touch the ball? I'll say.
3-team foul. 3-team foul by White. 10 seconds. 9 seconds. Seconds to go. Abel,
Nice!
rebounding by Aziz. Seconds to go. Science. Science. It's white ball. Cristobal to Ludovica. Ludovica dribbles the ball. Ludovica for looking for man. Ludovica, Kaya Biag, right, and lays it up, and miss it. There's a foul. Cristobal. Feliciano, shooting foul. Push shot. By Kaya Biag.
Yan, nakakahabol na. Dapat shoot yan.
First shot by Kaya Biag.
Shoot from Kaya Biag. Shoot! Nice!
Sa tayo balunan game.
Shoot na naman yan.
All 14. Last shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Cristobal. Line ball by Cristobal. Feliciano inbounding to Aziz. Aziz dribbling the ball. Aziz dribbling the ball to Abena. There's a foul.
Uy, wala ka.
88 foul.
Galing naman.
88 foul.
Who touched that? Where's the baby?
14 foul by the blue team. By the white team. 14 foul.
I think it's
It's a 14. In and up, back in again. Perfect game by Abena. So 1-point game. Another shot by Abena. Wow, nothing but net. 16-14. It's a 2-point game. Favor of blue. Lolopican Venezuela. Assist between the ball. Assist. To Quano. Quano takes a three. Miss it.
Yes!
Venezuela takes a three again. Lodopita con Mario Celestino. Mario Pex. Lodopita. Kung kaya Biab takes a Cristobal. Mario takes a three. Fix it out. Last 2 minutes. Abena. Take a shot.
Nice!
Fix it.
Nice!
Assist. Take a shot.
Wala!
Fix it again. What a headed shot by Assist. It's 5-0. It's a 6-point game. It's a 6-point game only. Okay? It's a 6-point game. 1 minute 28 seconds. To Kaya Biab. Takes it easy. Miss it out. Rebounded by Assist. Assist, reflect the ball. Assist. Drive.
Wala. Mayroon.
Oh,
Nice! Very good!
Lodopita. To Cristobal.
Shoot!
To Enacta. Assist. Gaston takes a three.
Come on, man!
Miss it out. Another one. Oh, nice ball by Gaston. Nice ball by Gaston. Kaya Biab. Cristobal. Fake. To Enacta. Miss na siya. Robert Feliciano. To Gaston.
Natutulog?
Gaston na ang miss it again. To miss by Gaston. Lodopita. To Enacta. Oh, miss again. There's a foul.
Ba't ganon?
It's Pablo. 40 baseline. Second team foul.
Ang daing
It's a 6-point game. 10 seconds. 10 seconds. What a quick shot by Kaya Biab. 4 seconds to go. 2. First half done. We're going to the second half of the regulation.
Sino nanalo?
It's a 6-point game. Momentum by the white team, made by Mario, the Tres Team, Sinesero. Third quarter, first 5 minutes. Second half. Sige, bigyan mo na lang sila ng 2 minutes, but pagpahinga mo natin 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes. Pahinga mo na kayo 2 minutes. Pahinga mo na kayo. Settle down. Blue ball, blue ball. Yes, nilipat ka, nilipat ka. Blue ball. Blue ball na, blue ball. Blue ball. Blue ball, red. Blue ball, red. Blue ball. Blue ball. It's a 8-point game. It's an 8-point game. It's an 8-point game. It's an 8-point game. Next possession, white. No. Tip. Very big back home. Rambling violation. Good defense by Erwin Santos. Castres. Oh, Mirote fakes. Wala fake by Mirote. Makes it. Mirote got a tough shot made by Mirote. Abena people. Abena. Blue ball. 10-point game. It's a 10-point game. Oh, ininahan by Abena. Santos dribbling the ball. Santos. To Mirote. Turn around. Wow, what a pass. What a shot. But ininahan by Jonas Alas. Gaston dribble. Gaston to Abena drive. There's a foul. Good problem. Inacta. Inbound. Abena. To Willie. To Gaston. Wow, what a pass. What a shot, but we miss it. Rebounded by Blue. Oh! What a Jalajoy shot. A Jalajoy. Santos. Oh, there's a foul. Foul by Willie Santos. Santos, inbounding the ball. It's a 10-point game. Santos to Castres. Castres, easy shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Jonas. To Castres again. Takes a shot. There's a foul. Down low. Good call by the referee. Down low. On the ground. Side ball. Inbound by White ball. It's a 10-point game. To Jonas. Jonas takes a shot. Miss it. Rebounded by Willie. Willie got a rebound. To Jonas. Abena. We go. It's a foul. Blocking foul. Who's foul, right? 32. Side ball. 1 minute 33 seconds. To Abena forcing shot. It's a foul. 2 shots, rep. 56 foul.
But that's fine. There's no shooting there.
Side ball. Oh, line ball. What a turnover. 54 seconds to go. Castres, dribble the ball. Castres winning the ball. Naturally outside. Santos, turn around. Pass to Mirote. What a good one by Mirote. Pass to back shot. Mirote. Willie to Berto. Berto to Gaston. Gaston takes to Willie. Oh! Intercept by Inaka. Santos to Inaka. 10 seconds to go. 8, 6, 5, 6. Foul. It's time. Two shot. Foul. It's a shooting foul.
Exactly 30.
It's a shooting foul.
Make it 30. Para 3-0. Nah. It's
Yung
okay.
foul na ulit, nilagay niya.
Pailamin naman. Shoot. Wala na. Why?
It's a killer win shot.
Warm up.
Last 5 minutes in the third quarter. 16-point game and 12-point game. It's the lowest scoring game. 28-16. Ludovica. Shot. It's Blue Ball. It's a 12-point game. Come on, Blue Team. It's a foul. No, it's a 14 foul. It's a 14 foul. We know him. Feliciano takes a shot. And miss it. Ludovica.
Ludovica shot.
It's a traveling violation. It's a traveling violation by Cristobal. Hernandez dribbling the ball. It's only a 12-point game. Blue team, it's only a 12-point game. Assist to Cuano. Cuano takes a shot. And miss it. Santos. Oh.
Foul.
It's a
Ako lang tatawa.
white ball. White ball. Bayab takes an easy 3. Money. It's a 15-point game. It's ballooning since the mishap. It's ballooning. Assist takes a 3 and makes it. That's the way you do it. Assist.
That's the win.
31-19. It's a 12-point game. It's the 12-point game. Also, we can bring the ball. And Mario takes a shot. And miss it. One rebound. Assist with the ball. Another shot by Brooklyn. Assist. So Abena to assist. Oh! What a big miss by assist. What a big miss by assist. There's a foul. Warning for penalty.
Ludovica.
Santos almost pickpocket.
Almost, ha?
Santos to Kayabyang.
Ludovica.
Ludovica to Santos.
Ay!
What a beautiful play. Beautiful play by the Whitey. Alam na this. 1933. Alam na this. 1933.
It's happened.
It's ballooning. Mario Cenesero. Oh, miss it. Ludovica. This is a shot.
Ay!
Cristobal.
Shoot.
And makes it. What a happy shot by Cristobal. Happy. All happy. Feliciano to Hernandez to Abena. Abena forcing the shot and makes it. What a shot by Abena. It's a 14-point game. It's a 14-point game. 1 minute and 42 seconds left. Abena. Kaya
Shot!
takes a shot.
No, wala. Foul.
Blue ball. 1 minute 30 seconds. 81-35. It's a 40-point game. It's a 14-point game. Apena takes a shot. Miss that. Rebounded by assist. Assist takes a shot. Miss it again. Assist. Oh, what a big miss by assist. 1 minute and 4 seconds left. 14-point game. Ludovica dribble. Takes a shot.
Wow.
And miss it. Cenicero. Ludovica. Kayap-yap. Who's ball red? Blue ball. It's only 14-point game. 35 seconds left. 32 seconds left. 28 seconds left. 21:35 seconds left in the regulation. One shot. 1:35. 14 seconds. Cristobal. Miss it. Kayap-yap. Walang follow-up by Kayap-yap.
Sabi mo walang bangus.
Another seconds to go. Hold on. Okay na. Okay. Blue ball. 19-point game. Sa 19-point game. Sa 19-point game.
Kasama namin kami sa work.
Hernandez holding the goal like a baby. Apena takes a shot and makes it.
Wow.
3-point make. It's a 24-14, 16-point game. 16-point game. What a pass! Line ball. This is your time, blue team. Touch up. Make it happen. Blue team. Make it a competitive game, blue team. To Apena. Traveling by Apena. It's a team game. Blue team. It's a team game, blue team. 8-4-4. Casres. To Ludovica drives. What a pass! What a shot! And he's smiling. Little bit shy. That's good. Intercepted! Gomez na kanal. Moreto. Wow! That's good. Winning the ball. Alam na this. Gaston, Apena takes a 3. Whoa! Another back-to-back. Apena is fighting. Ludovica to Enacta. The Castres takes an easy shot. 46-27. Hernandez. Takes a shot. Castres. What a pass to Castres. Easy na kanay. What a play by the white team. Alam na this. Wow. This. Yeah. Apena takes a shot. Miss it. Real situation again. Again and again. So Takanay. What a white. Magta-time out ang white. Magta-time out ang white. Hernandez. Abena takes the shot. There you go. Time out. White. Rito. Point by second shot. Makes it. Nothing but net. It's a 21 point game. 15-29. Defense. Whoa! What a rainbow shot by Kayapyao. Assist to Abena. Missed the shot. To Cristobal.
Wala na yan kahit
Rebounded by Quano. Assist to Gascon. Gascon fakes. And makes it. It's a 22-point game.
kami lang naman kasi ngayon lang kasi pagkakatakbo na kaya lang sila.
Gascon takes a three. Misses. To Abena. And makes it. It's a 22-point game. Mario Cenicero. Misses. Pitong 3 points lang yan. Tira. Misses. To Kayapyap. To Cristobal. Easy pocket. Easy money by Cristobal. Nothing but nothing. Abena takes a three. Miss it. Assist. Takes a three. And miss it. Rebounded by Castres. Quano. Assist. Huerto. Miss it. Abena takes a three. Miss it again. It's Blue Bowl. Time out! Blue! Time out! It's 3 minutes and 46 seconds. 3 minutes and 46 seconds. Abena takes a three. It makes it. Abena makes a three. It's a 21-point game. It's a 21-point game. Lodopita dribbling the ball. Lodopita, how did my... It's Butangka by Abena. What a block by Abena. Santos. Kayapyap takes a three. Oh, money by Kayapyap. 60-36. Abena takes a three. Miss it. It's a lopsided game in the championship game. Lodopita dribble. There's a foul. 48 foul on side ball. Inbound side ball by Lodopita. Fakes. Kayapyap to Lodopita. Lodopita drives. What a drive by Lodopita! Tatamaan pa tali. points.
Still good. Oh, dito ko. Palabas ka ng tapo ng court page. Go for close.
8 points. Franco. 41-62.
Magka-crowded na, diba?
Okay, 2 minutes and 19 seconds. So it's na. 15 seconds left to go for the Mercy. Kaya Piak.
Comedy ngayon ko
Wala na siya.
Comedy din ngayon. Kanina sila Kuya Larry ang comedy.
Okay, that's all folks. Thank you. That's all folks. Congratulations, white team.
Ay, wala na kasi. Magpapagod pa ba?